There is big news for Samsung users, and this time the update is not limited to the latest flagship devices. The One UI 8 5 beta program is now expanding to older Galaxy smartphones, giving more users the chance to try new features before the official release. This move clearly shows a shift in Samsung's strategy. Instead of focusing only on its newest and most expensive phones, the company is now extending support to older and even mid-range devices. This approach adds more value for users who prefer to keep their phones for longer periods. The list of supported devices is quite impressive. It includes popular models like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S23. Samsung is also including foldable devices such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. But the most surprising addition is from the mid-range segment. For the first time, a Galaxy A series device has joined the beta program. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is now part of the rollout, which is a significant step forward. This indicates that Samsung is opening up early software testing to a wider audience, not just premium users. However, there is an important detail to keep in mind. The beta program is not available everywhere at once. Samsung is rolling it out in phases, meaning availability depends on the region. Countries like India, South Korea, the United States, and the United Kingdom are among the first to receive access. For foldable devices, the beta is currently limited to South Korea and the US. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A36 5G beta is only available in India for now. More regions are expected to be added over time, but users may need to wait. Now let's talk about what makes this update exciting. One of the key highlights of One UI 8 5 is improved file sharing. Samsung is enhancing its Quick Share feature to make transfers faster and more seamless, similar to Apple's AirDrop system. This improvement is especially useful for users who frequently share photos, videos, or documents between devices. It also strengthens Samsung's ecosystem, making it easier for Galaxy devices to work together smoothly. Earlier, newer devices like the Galaxy S24 and S25 series had already received access to the beta. Now, by including older models, Samsung is allowing a much larger group of users to test upcoming features and provide feedback. That said, it is important to understand what a beta program actually means. Beta software is still under development. It is not fully stable, and users may encounter bugs, glitches, or unexpected issues. For example, some apps might crash, battery performance could be inconsistent, and certain features may not work as intended. This is normal for beta software, as it is meant for testing rather than daily use. Because of this, installing the beta on a primary phone is not always recommended. Users who depend heavily on their device for work or daily tasks should be cautious. However, for tech enthusiasts who enjoy exploring new features early, this can be an exciting opportunity. Joining the beta program is relatively simple. Users need to open the Samsung Members app and sign in with their account. From there, they can find the One UI 8 5 beta banner and register their device. Once registered, the update will be delivered through the Software Update section in the phone settings. Since the rollout is gradual, it may take some time before it becomes available on all eligible devices. Before installing the update, it is highly recommended to back up all important data. Beta versions can sometimes cause system issues or data loss, so having a backup ensures safety. Overall, this expansion of the One UI 8 5 beta program is a positive step. It shows that Samsung is focusing more on long-term software support and user satisfaction across different price ranges. Including a Galaxy A series device is especially important as it sets a new direction for future updates. It suggests that more mid-range phones could receive early access to new features going forward. At the same time, users should approach beta software with caution. While it offers a preview of upcoming features, stability should always be a priority for everyday use. The coming weeks will be interesting as more users test One UI 8 5 and share their experiences. This feedback will help Samsung refine the software before its final release. If Samsung continues this approach, it could make Galaxy devices even more appealing, especially for users who value long-term updates and early access to new technology.